5 strategies to minimizing costs and saving more money. You must be prudent in your spending and saving. If you're having challenges paying your bills at the end of the month, then you should take a long hard look at your spending. I completely agree that costs are continually rising while wages are not. While we have no control over this, we can eliminate unnecessary costs. In this video, I will show you 5 strategies you could use to manage your money. So, stay with me to the end of the video to learn. The first strategy you should use to minimize costs and save more money is to keep track of your spending habits. Installing a mobile expense management app on your phone will help to manage your expenses. The app recognizes expenses made with a net banking, debit card, or credit card. Expenses are broken down into categories such as entertainment, food, drinks, transportation, and so on. This way, you'll be able to see what you're spending the most money on. Look through the list and see how many of those expenses could have been avoided. Some of the expense management apps in the market are SAP Concur, TripActions, Brex, Expensify, and Zoho Expense. Others are Pleo, Emburse Certify Expense, Raido, Ramp and Paylocity. The second strategy you should use to minimize costs and save more money is to keep an eye on your utilities. Electricity costs account for 12% of the average household's budget. Consumption can be reduced by being cognizant of it. When not in use, turn off the air conditioners, unplug laptops, chargers and other household appliances. Examine your magazine and on-demand subscriptions to see how many are worthwhile. Look for the most affordable mobile phone deals, some even include a free OTT subscription. So far, if you are enjoying this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on your notification bell. The third strategy you should use to minimize costs and save more money is to create a shopping list. Shopping on the spur of the moment might leave you with a gaping hole in your wallet. A shopping list will come in help here. Make the decision and stick to it. Even as you're making the list, examine each item's inclusion and only jot down the ones you definitely need. Check to see whether your retailer provides reward points that may be used toward your next purchase. The fourth strategy you should use to minimize costs and save more money is to prepare meals at home. Cooking your own meals instead of ordering takeout will save you a substantial amount of money. Make a weekly meal plan and attempt to stick to it. If you have a taste for something specific, rather than ordering it, look up the recipe on YouTube. However, we recognize that hectic work schedules make it difficult to prepare meals at home. So, at the very least, do this on weekends. The fifth strategy you should use to minimize costs and save more money is to borrow with caution. Loans, credit cards, and insurance premiums consume a large portion of our wages. Check for lower rates while shopping for vehicle or house insurance. Some businesses even mix the two and offer discounted pricing for the package. Avoid auto renewals and look into what your provider's competitors have to offer. Pay your credit card bills on time to prevent incurring additional charges later. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more wealth contents.